Hey, what is going on, my XRP holders? Got some news for you guys today and an exciting update about the price of XRP in relation to the monthly chart, which the latest candle only does have 1 day left for a very monumental moment here on the charts with XRP as we are playing the 40 to 50 cent range. Guys, make sure do smash the likes and subscribe down below. Let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the other day, Ripple released the Q1 2023 XRP markets report, detailing important events in crypto and the broader financial markets in Q1, global regulatory progress, a vibrant community building on the XRP ledger, and the latest technical updates on the XRP ledger. As you guys know, Ripple is a very transparent company. They're not trying to hide anything. They're not trying to hold anything back. They don't even have to give a quarterly markets report to the market, but as a service to the XRP community, they like to do so to keep the community updated and be transparent about what is going on. Within this Q1 2023 XRP markets report, the case of Ripple versus SEC has been brought up. Now, guys, I know all we're really getting these last few months are these little updates here and there where Ripple says a little something here, and then the Ripple GC stored Aldraty says a little something here, and backlashes of Gary Gensler. We're always getting these like little breadcrumbs. We're not really getting the big meal of, hey, Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is over. Ripple is declared victorious. Now, it's been a few months. We're just waiting for the summary judgment. I get that, but Ripple has stated in this Q1 2023 report that the SEC has suffered a setback in the XRP lawsuit while we are awaiting summary judgment from the judge here. All right, so Ripple says that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission recently suffered a setback in the lawsuit that the markets regulator, filed against the payments firm alleging XRP to be an unregistered security. In its XRP markets report for the first quarter of 2023, Ripple says that testimonies from some of the SEC experts were struck out from the court record in an opinion delivered by the lawsuit's presiding judge, Annalisa Torres, last month. And guys, now the Q1 2023 XRP markets report, it is very, very long. I was thinking about kind of doing a video about like reading through the whole thing with you guys, but basically, this is kind of the big piece of the Q1 2023 report is the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit update. Quote, on March 6th, the court issued a 57-page opinion deciding which opinions of the SEC's and Ripple's experts can be considered on a summary judgment, parentheses, and if needed at trial, and which opinions need to be stricken. Specifically, the SEC's expert testimony regarding the reasonable expectations of an XRP purchaser was struck from the record, along with their expert who attempted to determine what caused the price of XRP to change. Funny how the SEC is trying to talk about the price of XRP changing when clearly the SEC brought XRP down from 79 cents all the way to 17 cents, destroying billions of dollars in market cap. See, now the SEC went after Ripple for basically $1.3 billion worth of unregistered securities sold by Ripple. And in this moment here, when XRP lost, 80% of its market cap, that was multi-billions of dollars destroyed. So it's kind of funny how the SEC wants to come on and say like, oh, what caused the price of XRP to change? Oh, I don't know. Probably taking bribes from the ETH Foundation? Got some nice retirement benefits there. William Hinman, $15 million in retirement benefits from the ETH Foundation to give them the free pass. On when the summary judgment is likely to be delivered, the payments company says, now Ripple did give a very broad prediction. Ripple expects a decision on summary judgment in 2023, though timing is ultimately up to the court. I remember there was some news that came out last month. I remember making a big video about it, that Ripple basically said we are, like the Ripple GC, Store Aldraty stated that, hey, we are waiting for summary judgment any day now. And now Ripple themselves from the real quarterly report, now they are saying just it's going to be 2023. That's what they are saying. And again, there's been a kind of a conversation going back and forth in the XRP community where it's like, why is Judge Torres taking so long to, deliver a result from this case? Is she kind of stalling and trying to let Ripple and the SEC kind of work out some sort of settlement deal here? Is this just such a gigantic deal in the world of crypto regulation that's going to be referred to in the future in any court cases? Back to this case, it's like it's such a big monumental scenario that's happening right now. So maybe Judge Torres is making absolutely damn sure whatever decision she makes will be the right decision going forward, obviously giving Ripple the win. So I'm still kind of hanging around on the theory that Judge Torres is maybe delaying the decision as long as possible to just try to force Ripple and the SEC to just sit down in a room, bang it out, get a settlement deal, let Ripple get the win, let the SEC get some sort of little win that they can, go champion in front of the Congress and try to get more funding, that kind of thing, right? But they're basically saying they do expect a summary judgment decision in 2023. All right. Reacting to the rejection of SEC's expert testimonies while retaining Ripple's own, the payments firm general counsel Stuart Alderty, who this guy puts out a lot of good tweets, last month said that Judge Torres' opinion has boosted confidence in their case. Quote, on the flip side, our experts that explain how Ripple's contracts clearly differ from those in Howey, tax treatment of XRP, not a security, accountant treatment of XRP, not a security, and currency experts on XRP, not a security, are all allowed to stay in, while the SEC's experts are being struck. As we have said throughout, we have always felt confident about our case, and with each ruling, even more so. All right, guys, XRP price, big update. Now, we have not done a live stream on the channel for quite some time now. We were doing a lot of streaming here. We were streaming a lot during this time because XRP's like nearly doubling in price in 2 weeks. It was an amazing time with you guys on stream. But the reason I haven't been streaming lately is because we're kind of in this little twilight zone. We're kind of just hanging around, bouncing back and forth, not really sure what we're going to do. I mean, this was an absolute glory day for the Alex Cobb channel. I mean, we ripped like a 15-hour stream, and I really thought when the charts looked like this, I was very, very confident we were going to keep pushing higher, but I guess the consolidation, I mean, it was very coiled, it was very tight, it was a nice trend to higher lows, but I guess maybe it took too long, where it took confidence away from the market, where it was, it was going sideways for too long, where inevitably someone was going to go ahead and grab the liquidity here. But on the highest time frame you can view with the free version of TradingView, we literally have this monthly candle here, which is basically, okay, you got the XRP holders, 33 cents to 59 cents, like huge boom there. All right, let me actually get the arrow for this proper, right? So we got from 30 cents to 59 cents really, really quick, right? And then the sellers, they got to play their game. They got to step in. The day traders got to take their profit, pay their expenses and whatnot, right? And then the traders send us back down just a tiny bit. And again, this is very simple technical analysis. This is nothing, complicated, but it's just, dude, the XRP monthly chart, in the first time in a long time on the monthly chart, it broke above the previous high close, closed above, pulled back, and is maintaining the level perfectly, and the candle's going to close in a day now, and if we can secure the close at the old resistance, flip it into support, there you guys go. We're eating good. We're getting rich. This is a very, very good level. The reason why I am championing this, monthly chart so hard is because when is the last time you saw the XRP monthly chart break above previous high and close above previous high? The last time that happened was right here, closing above this swing high, which is again kind of the same level we're breaking right now. I mean, the same level we're breaking and closing above right now to pull back and launch forward is the same level we broke above last time that gave us the launch of $2 a coin. All right. So on the monthly chart, that scenario has not happened in quite a long time. We have a day and 1 hour left. If we can just hold the current price where we are at, I am very confident next month we're going to see the impulse. We're going to see the 3-bar play. We're going to fill the gaps from the Terra Luna collapse, and we're going to get back to that $1 per XRP. Baby steps to all-time high and getting the price discovery. Okay, guys, we're looking good. I know being an XRP holder requires extreme levels of patience that I don't think most people can very much handle. You're watching this video, you do have extreme levels of patience. You've probably been with me on the channel here for, anywhere from 3 to 6 years now, where we just obviously know a new all-time high is going to be on the way. Guys, everything is setting up great. 1 day left on this monthly candle. The next open is going to be a explosive fireworks festival. We're going to see it. And we get that summary judgment announcement. We get Ripple winning the case. I'm telling you, that's a guaranteed $XRP plus. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into the video today. Make sure you smash like, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.